Hey, welcome back. Today's March 12th, Friday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly is going on in here, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys don't want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. It tells me what the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Today, we do have Bitcoin dominance up about 0.7%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down almost 2%. Total altcoin market cap down almost 4%. Now, this is the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. I will usually see Bitcoin price action more bearishly affecting the altcoin markets. Okay, I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, which is generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because on the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, I will usually see Bitcoin pullbacks not as affecting the altcoin markets as much. Okay, so for example, if Bitcoin dominance was to trend downwards, the downside of that, and Bitcoin price action pulls back about 1%, I will probably see total altcoin market cap down less than 1%, less than that of the Bitcoin price action pullback. Now, on the 3-day time frame here is my shifted focus for Bitcoin dominance, because as I've been saying for the daily time frame for Bitcoin dominance, there was a bullish pattern over there. I've been talking about for quite some time. However, invalidated. But there is still a bullish pattern here on the 3-day time frame, which is the double bottom pattern. Now, there's also bullish divergence to go along with this double bottom pattern. So if this pattern plays out, continues playing out, not as ideal for the altcoins. Let's move over to Bitcoin here. Like I said, and have been saying for the past couple of days, there is still a mixture of bullish and bearish signals. Bullish signals include, on the daily time frame here, price action did break out of this falling wedge pattern. Measured target was about 59K. Price action got pretty close to it. Now it's still staying on top of this daily 21 MA. Those are the bullish signals. Bearish signals include monthly, weekly time frame RSIs. Still, possible bearish divergence. If price action here on Bitcoin pulls back, as we're seeing right now, and continues pulling back, this could still have an effect on the altcoins. Magnitude of that effect would depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. Let's go over to Algorand. Let's take a look from the monthly time frame RSIs down to the daily time frame RSIs, which I consider to be macro time frames. Let's look for any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. Monthly time frame here, we're at an RSI reading of about slightly below 70, so not exactly in overbought territory. I'm not concerned here. Weekly time frame, we are at 64. Possible bearish divergence scenario if the price action was to make a higher high here on the weekly time frame. It does need to beat the last RSI reading of about 88 to negate bearish divergence. Very similar thing could be said here on the 3-day time frame, as well as the daily time frame. So let's do a quick recap. I don't see overbought RSI readings from the monthly time frame down to the daily. Possible bearish divergence scenarios if price action was to make a higher high from the weekly down to the daily time frame, they do need to beat their last high RSI reading to negate bearish divergence. Let's go over to the daily time frame. See what exactly has gone on since last time. Now, since my last post, I did say there was a falling wedge pattern. Measured target was about $1.66. Price action broke out of that falling wedge pattern. Got resistance, heavy resistance, from this area, which includes daily 21 MA in this $1.20 fib level area. However, it is still holding this key support right here about the dollar fib level, which now the daily 50 MA is catching up to this level. So I do still expect it to be pretty good support, because if we actually look at the daily 50 MA, it has not been touched for quite some time. Okay, I think the last touch here was about January, so I do expect it to be pretty good support. Now, let's take a look into the key resistances and supports in that's relevant to the price action right now. Key resistance, immediate resistance, would be the daily 21 MA, which is the blue line, followed by $1.20 fib level area, followed by $1.45 fib level area. Those are the key resistances. Supports include the dollar fib level area, as well as that's pretty parallel with the daily 50 MA now. Okay, if these levels don't hold, I'm looking at 3-day 21 MA as the next key support, which is the blue line right here. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, I still do consider this to be the breakout of this pattern right here. However, key resistance to get over right now is the daily 21 MA. If we start getting daily candles above this daily 21 MA, the next key resistance I'll be looking at will be about the $1.20, and then finally $1.45 before the measured targets. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. So that's the bullish case scenario. Start getting daily candle closes above the daily 21 MA. The next level of key resistance I'll be looking at would be about the $1.20 fib level area, and then $1.45 fib level area before $1.66 measured target. Bullish, bearish case scenario, price action breaks this key area right here about the dollar fib level, gets daily candle closes below this daily 50 MA, that will look pretty bad. Then the next level of key support I'll be looking at will be the 3-day 21 MA, currently about 91 cents, slightly under, and seeing if that holds. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I love to share them. Hope you match your words carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.